Hi, welcome to this tutorial on Chen style silk reeling. It's a gentle Qigong that is best performed at the end of a class or at the end of a Tai Chi session as a relaxation. The video is presented in mirror image, so this will be your left and that will be your right. What we'll do is I'll demonstrate each of the movements in detail and then we'll do them together. So, commencing position, feet together, nice and relaxed, arms are relaxed. We're going to step out to the left. To do that, just relax the knees, shift your weight to the right, step out to the left, parallel, shoulder width apart, and balance. Let's do that again. Commence. Relax the knees, step out, balance. The next part is just to raise the arms. The hands just float up to shoulder height and go down. Just softly bending the knees. Shift your weight and your hands to the right hand side and prepare your foot. We're going to step out to the left. Just relax. We'll do that together up to there. And relax the knees, step out, balance. Arms come up, arms go down. Shift your weight and hands to the right and prepare. The next movement is we're going to step out to the left diagonally. So as we step out, just step out with the left foot. The heel goes down first. Take the foot a little behind, not too far. And we just come forward first and then our hands follow. Let's say that together. Commence. Relax the knees, step out, balance. Arms come up, arms go down. Shift your hands and weight to the right. Prepare, turn a little to the left, step, and go forward. Now you'll notice my hands are parallel, they're facing the ground. Don't stretch too far, just here nice and comfortable with your weight between your feet. Also, hands not too high, hands just here. And relax. Good. What we're going to do is we're going to make a circle with our hands. And we'll do 4 each side, then we'll reverse. So, let's commence again. And step out, balance. Arms come up, arms come down. Shift your weight to the right. Prepare, step out to the left, and go forward. Now, once you get there, shift your body weight back and just bring your hands back. Shift your body weight forward, then the hands go forward. Shift your body weight back and the hands come back. Shift your body weight forward and the hands go forward. Fourth one, hands come back. Just bring your feet in. Some important points to remember as we are out to the side. We always breathe in as we come in. And breathe out as we go forward. So we're breathing in and breathing out. Notice my hands are not too high and not too low, and they're facing the ground. Also, try not to raise your shoulders up as you come back. Keep your shoulders down, nice and relaxed. Also, as we go forward, try not to lean forward, or as you come back, lean back. All we're doing is shifting our entire body weight forward and our body weight back. Body weight forward and body weight back. Now the hands are active hands. Let's just keep going with this movement. The hands are active hands. Imagine there's a dragon on the ground, just in front of you, curled around your body, and You're stroking its back and you don't want to wake it up. So the hands, active hands, are actually doing something. They're as if they're stroking the back of the dragon. As you turn to the left, your whole upper body, and you look to the left. As you come back and your hands move to the right, you look a little to the right. So the whole upper body moves as a unit. As we shift our weight forward, as we shift our weight back, shifting forward, breathing in as we come back, and breathing out as we go forward. And just relax. So after we do 4 of these movements, which is stepping out and going forward, we're going to reverse direction. The hands come back as they're higher and go forward low. They come back high and go forward low. Good. Let's practice that entire movement to the left side. We commence. Relax the knees. Step out, balance. Arms come up, arms go down. Shift your weight and hands to the right. Turn to the left, step out, circle the hands forward 1 and then back. 2, breathing in as you come back, breathing out as you go forward. 3. And on the 4th time, as we go forward, we just pause and reverse direction, coming back, going forward. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. And on the last one, as the hands come back, the foot comes in. So that's to the left side. Let's do to the right side. Prepare with your hands to the left. And your right toe is just touching the ground. Weight is on the left leg. Step out. Now come forward. Hands go forward. Hands go back. Remember they're active hands. Forward, 2nd time, and back. 3rd time, going forward and back. And on the 4th one, as we go forward, we pause and reverse, coming back. Breathing in as you come back, breathing out as you go forward. Breathing in and breathing out. Now, this is the 4th one. The hands come back and the foot comes in. And relax. Good. Now the only part that is left to add in is the transition from going to the left to the right or from the right to the left. So let's practice the transition. We go from the starting position. Weight is on the right. Hands are to the right. Left toe on the ground. We step out. Go forward. Now imagine we're doing the last movement and we're coming back. Our body weight comes back, our hands move over, bring your foot in. Circle your hands, they continue to make a circle until the hands are to the left. Prepare the right foot, step out and go forward on the right and back. Foot comes in. Good. So let's just practice that movement, starting in the position where we are out to the left. Now we're going to come back and go to the right. And hands come back. Foot comes in. Circle the hands. Prepare. Weight is on the left. Step out with the right. and hands go forward. If we're going to go to the left, bring your hands back and the hands come in. Circle the hands. Prepare. Step out to the left. Let's do one more to the right. Hands come back in. Circle the hands as the foot comes in. Transfer your weight to the left. Prepare. Step out to the right. And go forward. And back. Good. So hopefully that's helped. Now I suggest that you try the Silk Reeling video, which is direct practice. Thank you.